Hello everyone, today we will learn a new string manipulation technique. So let's get started. So I have already declared a class string manipulation 2. So here I will write a string text. In quotes I will write the string which is I love India, and here I will write all the words in small letter, and I want expected output will come up with like I should be capital, and from love L should be capital, and from India I should be capital, like this. Yeah. So for this first we need to split it. So I will use one string array with name words, then I will write text dot, from the upper string I will use that text, yeah, dot split, and in bracket in the side quote I will put some space and semicolon. So this line will split the above string into three parts. So one by one I'll explain, and we'll store all these like splitted value inside these string. So string first will write words, in square bracket I will write 0, and in similar way, which represent I, in similar way will write all the three lines like second, third for love and India, and inside word here I will put 1, and in next line for India I will put 2. Yeah, here, so you will write 2. So now that part is done. Now we need 3 more strings. String, so I will use a string first word equals to, so here we need to convert it into uppercase, so I will use care dot to upper, and inside normal brackets, normal common bracket I will write first, and inside it square bracket inside I will put 0, right, first, yeah, this one. We have only one letter here, so which is I, so we just need to write 0 here. See, currently it is showing an error, but if we put like add this concatenation or plus symbol over there, then we have to write something like so let me show you, like write first dot substring, and inside these bracket I will write 0 0, which actually return an empty string, okay. But if I remove that part, in that case again it will throw an error, because here what we are doing, we are like we can't convert character into a string, so that is why I am using substring over there in this line, which returns nothing. To we are using it just to avoid that error. But yeah, so next line I will just copy the first line and do some changes in it, like second name, and here our word is love, so I'll use second, and first position we just want to change like L, so 0 is fine. So here in this substring, here we have other letters too, like OVE with love, so here I will write 0, so no, 1, yeah, 1 we have to write, and in this part there are two ways to write it, so let's use the first one. Okay, write second dot length minus 1, so our total length is 4, and if we minus 1, that it will give us result 3. So this is the first way to write it. Another way I'll explain. Let me complete this program. Like for the third word, rest these things remain same, just third we have to change, and in like yeah, for India, and here as well we have to change, instead of second, right, third. Substring is fine, one is fine, and instead of using this whole second dot length, like we can directly put the like number for this part. Like here we have India, so we have total 5 letters, and one is already we have mentioned, so remaining is 4. Like from 1 2 3 4, NDIA. So this is the another way to write this. So yeah, that part is done. Now we just need to print it. So for that, type console.writeline and use interpolation again for these 3 strings. So in the first one, write first word. In the second part, just write like paste second word, and for the third, paste third word here. So that part is done. Save it. Like here we want all these things in same line, so instead of console.writeline, use console.write. That's it. Save it and just execute it. See, I love India is coming, so we are getting the exact response, like expected output is coming. And like I said that I'll show you the like other way also. Like instead of writing this second dot length, directly write 3. Save it and try once again. See, again same output is coming. So this is how you can write it. So I hope you understand this, and if you have any doubt, let me know. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.